Good morning students, how are you all? I am Sandhya from Bharathidhasanar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 5th standard maths second lesson. So what is the second lesson name? Yeah, very good. Our second lesson name is operations on large numbers. Operations on large numbers. In maths we have 4 operations is there, right? Our first operation is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Today we are going to see multiplication. Before going to the topic, I will give some introduction. Okay, so listen children, this is multiplication sign. In this sign is also known as the dimension signs and the time signs. Dimension signs and the time signs. Time signs and the dimension signs. Time signs and the dimension signs. Dimensions sign. Okay. So this is the multiplication sign. In this multiplication sign is also known as the time signs and then dimension signs. So before going to the multiplication topic, I will give some introduction. So listen here. Consider Manimaran, tomorrow is your birthday, right? So you are going to give chocolate for your class student. You are going to give chocolate for your class student. So the cost of one chocolate is 5 rupees. What is the cost of one chocolate? The cost of one chocolate is 5 rupees. The cost of one chocolate. So the cost of one chocolate is 5 rupees. How much rupees? 5 rupees. And totally the class strength is 23. How many students are there? 23 students are there. So total strength equal to 23. Total strength equal to 23. Now tell me Roshan, what is the cost of 2 chocolate? Very good. So the cost of 1 chocolate 5 rupees means the cost of 2 chocolate is 10 rupees. So right here the cost of 2 chocolate. The cost of 2 chocolate. So take 5 plus 5. So the answer is 10. 5 plus 5. The answer is 10. Okay, so now we are going to take the cost of 3 chocolate. So cost of 3 chocolate means you should add 5 in 3 times, right? So write the cost of 3 chocolate. The cost of 3 chocolate. 3 chocolates equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So first you take 5 plus 5, the answer is 10. Keep 10 in the mind, 5 in the finger. So the final answer is 15. So listen children, here we used only a smaller quantity. If it is large quantity, what should we do there? So by this time addition is not possible. So you should use the multiplication. Here the cost of 1 chocolate is 5 rupees. The total strength of the students is 23 students are there. So how many students are there? 23 students are there. So the cost of 23 chocolates equal to the cost of 23 chocolates equal to. So the cost of 23 chocolates equal to, take 23 is multiply by 5. Take 23 multiply by 5. Okay. So now you take 5 and multiply by 3 and 5 and multiply by 2. Now take 5 3s are. So what is the answer? 5 zeros are 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So here you got 2-digit number. So write 5 under the 1's column and 1 carry over to the 10's column. Next you will take 5 2s are. 5 2s are 10. Keep 10 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So the answer is 11. Listen children, the cost of 1 chocolate is 5 rupees. The cost of 23 chocolate equal to 115 rupees. What is the cost of 23 chocolate? The 23 chocolate is 115 rupees. 115. 115. So, listen children, in multiplication numbers have some names. Here 23 is called the multiplicand and 5 is called the multiplier and final answer 115 is called the product. So, you all know what is our today's topic. Our today's topic is multiplication. So, the definition of multiplication is, so what is meant by multiplication? The definition of multiplication is the repeated addition of the same number. So, what is meant by multiplication? Multiplication means that is a repeated addition of the same number. Multiplication means repeated addition of the so multiplication means that is a repeated addition of the same number. For example, 5 sevens are, the answer is 35. Example, 5 sevens are. So what is the answer? 5 sevens are 35. Here 5 sevens are 35 means that is 5 times of 7 or 7 times of 5. Listen children, 5 is called the multiplicand. So what is meant by multiplicand? The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand and 7 is called the multiplier. So multiplier means the number of times the things get multiplied is called the multiplier and 35 is called the product. So what is that? 35 is called the product. So product means the final answer is called the product. So listen children, this is multiplicand, multiplier and 35 is called the product. Okay. So next we will see what is multiplicand, what is multiplier and what is product. So first we are going to see multiplicand, multiplier and a product. Multiplicands. So what is multiplicand? The number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. The number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. Multiplicands. So for example, 5 sevens are 35. Here 5 is called the multiplicand. Next we are going to see the multiplier. Okay, next we are going to see the multiplier. So what is meant by multiplier? Multiplier means the number of times the things gets multiplied is called the multiplier. The number of times things get multiplied is called the multiplier. So listen children, multiplier means the number of times the things get multiplied is called the multiplier. So here 7 is called the multiplier and 5 is called the multiplicand and final answer 35 is called the product. So for example, listen here. Here in first group we have 4 trees are there and 4 multiplied by 1. 4 ones are 4. That is 4 times of 1 are 1 times of 4. That is what? 4 times of 1 are 1 times of 4. 4 multiplied by 1, the answer is 4. Okay. So 4 times of 1 are 1 times of 4. Listen children, in before topic you have learned terms related to multiplication. So, what are all terms we have in the multiplication? That is multiplicand, multiplier and a product. And now we are going to see multiplication by tens form. Okay. So, you all know what is the tens form, right? So, tens form means that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 up to 90. Okay. So, to multiply a number by 10, 20, 30. So, listen children, to multiply a number by number by 10, 20, 30 up to 90. To multiply a number by 10, 20, 30 up to 90, first you should multiply a number by 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. First you should multiply a number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 respectively, and insert 1 zeros to the right side of the product respectively and insert 1 zeros to the 1 0 to the right side of the product, 1 0 to the right side of the product So, listen children, multiplication by tens. So, that is tens form. Tens form means 10, 20, 30 up to 90. So, first you should multiply a number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9. Then finally, you should insert 1 zeros to the right side of the product. So, for example, here we have the question 1345 multiplied by 70. 1345 is multiplied by 70. Now, we will take a 7 and multiply by 5. 7 and multiply by 4, 7 and multiply by 3 and 7 and multiply by 1. Take a 7 5s are, that is 7 zeros are 0, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 40, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So, here you got 2-digit number 35, right. So, listen children, 35. This is ones place value and this is tens place value. Now, in this ones place value, you are going to write under the ones column. So, write 5 under the ones column, 3 carry over to the tens column. Next, you are going to take 7 4s are. Now, tell me Krish, what is the answer 7 4s are? Very good. That is 7 times of 4 are 4 times of 7. So, 7 4s are 28. Keep 28 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 28 after, 29, 30, 31. So, here too you got 2-digit number, that is 31. This is tens place and this is 100th place. Now, we are going to write tens place under the tens column and 3 carry over to the hundreds column. Next, we will take a 7 3s are. So, 7 3s are, that is 7 times of 3 are 3 times of 7. 7 3s are 21. So, keep 21 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So, 21 after, 22, 23, 24. So, here you got 24. Okay. So, 24, that is hundreds and this is tens value. Thousands value, hundreds and thousands value. Now, we are going to write 100 value under the hundreds column. And 1000 value you are going to write carry over to the 1000 column. So, 2. Take a 7 1s are. So, 7 1s are 7. Keep 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So, 7 after 8 9. So, write the answer 9 and insert 1 zeros to the right side of the product. So, here 1 0 is there. So, insert 1 zeros to the right side of the product. Answer 9 4 1 5 0. 94150. The topic is multiplication by tens. So, tens means that is tens form 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. Next we are going to see multiplication by hundreds. So same as multiplication by 10. First we will write to multiply by a hundreds form. So listen children, hundreds form means that is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 up to 900. First you are going to multiply by the 1, 2, 3 and finally you should insert 2 zeros to the right side of the product. Finally you should insert 2 zeros to the right side of the product. So listen here. To multiply a number by 2, multiply a number by 100, 200 up to 900. First, we should multiply a number by 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. First, to multiply a number by 1, 2, 3 up to 9 respectively, and finally you should insert 2 zeros to the right side of the product respectively, and finally insert 2 zeros to the right side of the product. Insert 2 zeros to the right side of the product, to the right side of the product. So listen children, to multiply a number by 100, 200 up to 900 means first you are going to multiply a number by 1, 2, 3 up to 9, then finally you should insert 2 zeros to the right side of the product. Okay. So now for example, 487 is multiplied by 300. 487 is multiplied by 300. First you are going to 3 and multiply by 7, 3 and multiply by 8 and 3 and multiply by 4. Okay. So take a 3 sevens are, 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 50, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21. That is 3 times of 7 or 7 times of 3. So the answer is 21. Write the here 21. Here you got the 2-digit number, right? So 2-digit number, that is ones and this is tens. Ones, tens. Now we are going to write ones value under the ones column and tens value carry over to the tens column. Okay. So listen here, 1 and 2. Take a 3 eights. 3 eights are 24. So keep 24 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So 24 after 25, 26. Okay. So here too you got 2-digit number 26. This is tens place and this is 100th place. So listen children, now we got a 26. This is tens place and this is 100th place. Okay. So tens place value you are going to write under the tens column. So 6, and 100th place value you are going to write carry over to the hundreds column, 2. Next you will take a 3 fours are. 3 fours are 12. Keep 12 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So 12 after 13, 14. Write the answer 1, 4. Okay. So the answer, finally you should insert 2 zeros to the right side of the product. So the answer is 1 tens 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 1 lakh 46,100. So write the answer 1 lakh 46,100. Next we are going to see multiplication by thousands. So same as multiplication by 10 and 100. First we are going to multiply by the thousands form. So thousands form, you know, 1000, 2000, 3000 up to it will be goes on. First you will multiply by 1, 2, 3 and finally you should insert 3 zeros to the right side of the product. So multiplication by 1000. To multiply a number by 1000, 2000, 3000. So write to multiply to multiply a number by number by 1000. Okay, to multiply a number by 1000, 2000, so up to 9000. First you are going to multiply a number by 10, 1, 2, 3. First you are going to multiply a number by 1, 2, 3 up to 9 respectively, 3 up to 9 respectively, and finally we should insert 3 zeros to the right side of the product. Insert 3 zeros to the right side of the product. Right side, 3 zeros to the right side of the product. So listen children, for example 487 is multiplied by 6000. First you are going to 6 and multiply by 7, multiply by 8 and multiply by 4, and finally you should insert 3 zeros to the right side of the product. So take a 6 multiply by 7. So 6 sevens are 42. So write 42 here. This is ones place value and this is tens place value. Now we are going to write ones place value under the ones column 2 and tens place value carry over to the tens column. Next you are going to take 6 8s are 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48. So keep 48 in the mind, 4 in the finger. So 48 after 49, 50, 51, 52. So here too you got 2 digit number. So 52. This is tens place value and this is 100th place value. Now we are going to write tens place value under the tens column and 100th place value are going to write the carry over to the 100th column. So write 2 and 5. Now we will take a 6 4s are. So what is the answer? 6 4s are? 6 4s are 24. So keep 24 in the mind, 5 in the finger. So 24 after 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So the answer is 29. So listen children, finally you should insert 3 zeros to the right side of the product. So write 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? 1 tens 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 29 lakh, 22,000. So write the answer 29 lakh 22,000. Okay. So next we will see only one more example. Listen here. So multiplication of a number by a 2-digit number. Today is our final topic. Multiplication of a number by a 2-digit number. The equation is 4564 is multiplied by 16. 4564 is multiplied by 16. First you take a 6 and multiply by 4, 654, and take 1 and multiply by 4, 654. Okay, so listen. 6 and multiply by 4. So what is the answer? 6 4s are 24. So write 4 and 2. Next 6 6s are 36. Keep 36 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So 36 after 37, 38. So 38, write 8 and then 3. Take a 6 5s are. 6 5s are 30. Keep 30 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So 30 plus 3, the answer is 33. Write 3 and 3. Next you will take a 6 4s are. So 6 4s are 24. 24 after, keep 24 in the mind and 3 in the finger. So 24 after 25, 26, 27. So the answer is 27. Next listen children, take the tens place value. Here the tens place value is, the table is one table. So you should start from tens place onwards. Put ones place itself 0 or plus. Okay, so take a 1 4s are. So what is the answer? 1 4s are 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. Next we will take 1 6 are. 1 6 are 6. That is 6 times of 1 or 1 times of 6. 1 6 are 6. Next we will take 1 5s are. So 1 5s are 5. Next we will take 1 4s are. 1 4s are 4. Now we are going to add this. So why we are adding here? Why? Because multiplication is the repeated addition. Okay. So now you add and write the answer. 4 in the mind, 0 in the finger. So what is the answer? The answer is 4. Next we will take 8 in the mind, 4 in the finger. So 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. So here you got 2 digit number 12, right? 2 and then 1. Next, you will take 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, the answer is 4. So, keep 4 in the mind, 6 in the finger. So, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the answer? 10. So, 0, carry 1. Next, take 1 plus 7, the answer is 8. 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. So, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so 13, write 3, carry 1. Next, you will take a 4 plus 2 plus 1. So, 1 plus 2, the answer is 3. 3 plus 4, the answer is 7. So, the final answer is 7, 3, 0, 2, 4. So, what is the final answer? The final answer is 7, 3, 0, 2, 4. Okay, children. So, listen children, in this section you have learned multiplication. What is multiplication and what are all terms related to multiplication, and then multiplication by tens, multiplication by hundreds and multiplication by thousand, and finally we multiply a number by 2-digit number, right? I hope everyone enjoy this section. In this below description we have attached the study material. Okay, study material and then question bank. This both based on only I took the assessment work. So, my dear children, do all the second lesson problems. Okay. So, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division related all the problems you should do. If you have any doubt, just see this video. Okay. Thank you.